Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this open mouth hack on Dress to Impress. So first, we will need the fur hat. Wait, let me see if I'm recording. Okay, I am. In the color 242424. And then for the the adjustments, Y at 0.29. And then Z at 0.52. We're going to rotate the X to 0.42 and we're going to scale it all the way down to a 0. We're then going to grab this halo and we're going to color it 272727. For this one, we're going to position the Y at 0.09, the Z to 0.50, wrong one. 0.09. And then the Z to 0.53. We're going to rotate the X to 0.48, that's 38, and scale it to 0.17. Hello? Okay. There you go. Then we're going to get this headband. You're going to color it the color of your skin. The skin I have is white, but you can obviously adjust it to the skin color you are using. X at 0.51, Y and Z at 0.45. X rotation at X 0.58. Y rotation at 0.75. Z rotation at 0.25. And we're going to scale it down to 0.19. Grab this mask, and I'm just going to color it black here for both. Position the Y to 0.41 as well as the Z. Rotate the X to 0.43 and scale it down to 0.36. Okay, once you got that, you'll need two more items, which is the Style Showdown crown. You're going to color it BAA68E for both. So I'm just going to save that color actually. Position the Y to 0.27, the Z to 0.43, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it all the way to 0. I think I'm just going to scale it up just a little bit to 0.02 actually for this. Grab the roses here with the thorns. And color everything black except for the last one. You're going to color it the same as your other teeth. This one, BAA68E. Position the X to 0.51, the Y to 0.35, Z to 0.49. Rotate the X to 0.32, Y to 0.25. Why am I... Okay. Sorry, this should be 32. So X 0.32, Y 0.25, and scale it to 0.002. And that is it. That is your open mouth tutorial on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.